everyone, I'm Huma from Raval Convent School, and in this video we will be learning all about notice writing. We will understand what notice writing is all about, some key points to remember them while writing a notice, format of it and an example to make it clear. So, what is a notice? It is a written or printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, general instruction. They are put on a display board in school or public places. Now, there are some key points that must be kept in mind while writing any notice. First one is the ideal length of the notice is 50 words. So, only relevant points need to be addressed here. Second one is present the notice in proper format. Third one is try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. Fourth one is don't use personal pronouns like I and we. So these 4 points must be kept in mind while writing any kind of notice. Now let's look into the format of notice writing. A rectangular box needs to be created when we are going to write the notice in that box. In the top middle portion, the name of the organization which is issuing the notice must be written, and the right below it notice words need to be written. Then in the left hand side, write the date on which the notice is issued. Then below it, in the middle side, write the title of the notice. Then below it, the body of the notice comes. And after the body is completed, signature, name and designation of the underlying authorities comes. So this is the exact format. Now let's understand what should be there in the body of notice. Remember to answer 5 W's while writing any notice, and you won't have any problem while writing it. First one is what. So what is the notice about? The notice should clearly mention what is going to happen or what already happened. Second one is who. This will who the notice is addressed to. Who are supposed to address to notice should be clearly mentioned to avoid confusion. Third one is where. If the notice is for an event, then the location of such an event must be clearly written. Fourth one is when. This one is the time and date of the event or meeting. Fifth one is what to do. Here the instructions are written related to notice. Sixth one is whom. Final detail should be whom to contact or get in touch with. This mentions who the appropriate authority whom to contact to. So these are the 6 points that must be present while writing any notice. Now let's look into an example to make things clear. You are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. Let's start the notice writing with the given topic first thing first. Let's draw a rectangular box in which you will be writing content of notice. Then the name of organization come. Let's say ABC School Ahmedabad. Then we need to write word notice just below the school name. Then we will write the date on which the notice is issued. Let's say it's 10th January 2019. Then we will write the title of the notice. Here we will write annual day celebration. After the title comes the main part of the notice, which is body. Here we can write in this way. This is to inform all the students that the school annual day function will be held on 10th January 2019 from 10 to 1 p.m. at Dev Mall. Ahmedabad's collector Dr. Vikrant Pandey will grace the occasion as chief guest. Every student needs to collect their passes from their respective class teachers. Here You can see we have mentioned all the 6 points that we discussed regarding the body of the notice, like what is the notice about, who are all supposed to address to notice, where the event is happening, when it is happening, instruction followed by students related to pass collection, and whom they need to contact for pass collection. After the body is completed, sign, name and designation of the person writing the notice comes. This is the final version of the notice. Please pause the video and go through the notice once again. It's all in this video. I hope you understand how to write notice writing. Thank you.